Off on our adventure. Let's go.
Big adventure walks. Mitten, come on, come on up this way.
Oh, some sheep. Hello. Look how high we are. Which way do we go? Do we go up the river? Got the mud. Huge stone block. What's this? There must be a quarry somewhere. More blocks down there. Big stones. We don't know where the quarry is, or unless the quarry was a bit down there, we might be able to look on a map and work it out. But I've put Strava on so we can see roughly how long the walk takes, and then see what route we've taken, because we may be able to see if there's a different route. But yeah, we're just walking down to, well, what we believe is going to be the nearest pub for us to actually be able to walk to. So we love nothing more than a really long walk down to a pub, nice drink of something or a coffee, and then food if we want, and then a walk back. It's like the best thing. So we'll see. We thought before we'd have to walk all through the river. If we had deep enough boots, we could walk all the river, because the river goes to an estuary. Where we're going. Whoa! You're the king of the castle. You're a dirty rascal. Yay! Is it not? People have obviously used it loads back to potentially muddy, dangerous river where I nearly lost my boots. Oh, only short there, back on a path of sorts. River's there now, caught back up with us. It's a nice tree, isn't it? This is the path. Obviously, a lot of people do walk along here. There's another bit at the top, a stone thing Dave was saying about, so we're going to have to maybe on the way back see if we can get there, but look, it's all there. Nice. There's some nice bits up here, I think. We can stop and have some coffee. Snack. Picnic? Go on then. You could just go under it, to be fair, you're small enough. Leave that bit. Come get over this one. Look at this big tree you're going to get over. How are you going to get over? Good way. Yep. Like shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, down, down. Lay flat, don't go high. Seems like a very dangerous way of doing it. Well, it looks like there's a crocodile there or something. Think? I bet this looks good when all the bluebells come to us. But this is actually a footpath now. Yeah, and it says join us on thing. You can be a volunteer rambler. Whoa. It's nice, isn't it? in the middle. You're doing a good job. Which way you go? Your hat will keep your hood on. Whoa, look at this river. Which way you go? A lot of rivers around here, isn't there? Oh look, that was the original river though. Original bridge. Nice. Lintels are holding up still. I wouldn't maybe cheers! Ice cream to walk back home. We'll go in the roadway to see if it is quicker. Man down. Can you see the moon?
Yes, I see the moon.
Isn't it big?
I can't see the moon.
You can't?
I can't.
Oh, me too. Oh my god.